Surprise ka na dito.
The older people.
Hi, older people.
Okay, now we do.
Mike is first.
Let's do sacris for 20 and above. Come on, 20 and above.
Yay!
Okay, we have Michael.
Linya na mo rito, Surprise.
Oh my God, 20 and above.
Hoy, linya na mo rito.
You wanna do girls? Okay.
You know what we're doing, what the rules are.
Okay. Okay.
Go, Michael! Go, Michael!
It's the same way as how the kids did it. You know how the kids did it so well? Okay. You're gonna do the same thing. John, how many people in your group?
4. There, you should get in the middle and go like.
Go the fast one in the front.
Michael, how many people do you have in your group, Michael?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Eh, kwarto. Palit yung camera ni Alot pa picturean.
Picturean siya? No, picturean niya.
Michael,
Ako apod ba?
but Sam, you're in one team, Sam.
Lot. Hawak kamera ko ron. Kaya picturean ka na mo ba? Musakre.
Sabi magandang ako, Michael. Michael, mas kami magandang ako. Ano?
Mutaktak mo, yan na.
Okay.
Itak-tak mo. Not the music, itak-tak mo. Itak-tak.
You need one more? Jump on in. Kara.
Come on, Kara. Come on.
Come on, Katrina.
Okay, let's go, Kara. Okay, over there, Michael. Michael, go. Okay. Okay, Kara is your fourth person there. Pinat.
Keep going, Dan.
Okay. Sarah. You be the third person. Let Camila do the last.
The peanut's gonna do it.
Alright, guys, okay. Okay. Alright, ready?
Hanging around.
Ready?
Woohoo!
Pinat, are you
Mikey!
also? Pinat, are you joining them? Okay. Alright, on your mark.
Right, Mike!
Second set.
Woohoo!
Hey, let's get down.
Morning!
In English.
Oh, I forgot we don't have a non-Boholano here. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Mike!
Let's go.
Let's go! Hurry!
And the winner is Team Michael. Yeah, mag-tag-of-war lang, tag-of-war. I'm sorry, but there's no prize for that game. One more?
She is the star dancer.
Yeah.
Wala, mo rin yung prize.
No prize. They're gonna play tag of war.
Saan ang prize, Ben? Saan ang prize?
This next one we're gonna do tug-of-war. Del Ro versus Del P.
Baskin Robbins.
Del Ro versus Del P.
Ito na, grupo lang.